Tired of sharing your YouTube channel using that long, confusing URL? Then finding your YouTube channel ID is the first step to creating a custom one. Let's dive in first. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account and then click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your YouTube settings page. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, look for and click on Advanced Settings. This will reveal some more in-depth options for your channel. And here it is. On this page, you'll find to ID your user ID and your channel ID. The channel ID is what we're looking for. This is a unique string of characters that identifies your channel. You can either highlight and copy the channel ID, or simply click the copy button located right next to it. This will copy the ID to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully found and copied your YouTube channel ID. Remember, this ID is useful for creating custom URLs, connecting with third-party tools, and managing your account in advanced ways. I hope this helped you grab your channel's ID. If you want more easy-to-follow YouTube tips, be sure to subscribe.